In this video, I'll show you how to organize your YouTube playlist on your iPhone and your Android phone. So if you want to organize your YouTube playlist by date, by newest, or by most popular, then let me show you how to do this. So let's start off with the iPhone. First, we'll go ahead and update the YouTube app. So go to the App Store, search for YouTube and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. Once you're in the app, go ahead and tap on View at the bottom right. Then you want to go ahead and see your playlist section, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on View All. And now here I've got 3 playlists: tutorial, watch later, and liked videos. So here I want to organize the videos in my tutorial playlist. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Once I do this, I'll see all the videos that are in my tutorial playlist. So as you can see, there are 4. Now YouTube gives you a chance to sort it in many different ways. So here, you can sort it out in manual way, in the date added, newest first, date added, oldest first, most popular, date published, newest, and date published, oldest. So currently manual is selected, so you can go ahead and hold the video and move it down or up or wherever you like. You can also tap on sort and select any of these choices here. So I'll go ahead and tap on most popular, and the most popular video will show up at the top. If I tap on it again, I'll tap on date added newest, and this will organize my playlist by date added by the newest. So that is how to organize your playlist on your YouTube app using your iPhone. Now let me show you how to do this on an Android phone. Now on your Android phone, you want to go ahead and update your YouTube app. So go to your App Store, search for YouTube, and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the U section here at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on playlist, so tap on View All. And now here, this will show you the playlist. So I've got 3 playlists here. I'll go ahead and tap on my tutorial playlist. From here, you can go ahead and organize your YouTube videos by the following options. So as you can see, you have the same option as the iPhone: manual, date added, most popular, date published, and date published. So again, same thing, tap on manual, go ahead and long press on the 2 lines and move it anywhere you like. Let's sort it out by most popular, and let's sort it out by date published, newest. And there you go guys, that is how to organize your videos in your YouTube playlist using your Android phone or your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.